Did you get a promo code for Uber but it's not working, showing as invalid or not applying a discount to your ride? Here's exactly what's happening and how to fix it. First, you must apply the promo code before you request the ride. You cannot add it after you have already booked. So, open the Uber app and tap on the menu icon on the top left. Now, tap on Wallet. Then scroll down and click on Add Promo Code. And now type the code. While typing, make sure you type the code exactly as written because promo codes are case sensitive, so make sure that every letter is correct. After that, tap on Apply, and if it shows as invalid, the code may have already expired or may only work for new users. If you are an existing customer, now read the terms of the promo code carefully. Most have restriction like first ride only, specific cities, or specific ride types. If the code is valid and you have entered it correctly but it's not reducing the price, make sure that you have selected the right type. Some promo codes apply to Uber ads or specific categories only. So all you gotta do is add promo codes before booking in the wallet section. Check the code is typed correctly and make sure you meet your requirements. Discount applied, and that's it, guys. See you in the next one.